Hi everyone, I'm here with another new airdrop. This one is called Bitagon Blockchain. I'm sorry if I didn't spell it correctly. So I will show you how to claim 8 of TSC tokens in our Trust wallets. Now, first thing, you must open your Trust wallet. Go to the dapp browser. From description below, copy and paste airdrop address in here. Don't forget to change this to Binance Smartchain network. We hope we will reach soft cap or maybe hard cap. This will be good if we will reach hard cap. Presale ends in 18 days. That's good. We got a lot of time. Here you can buy tokens pre-sale. In pre-sale they are very cheap. And this is good to know. Bitagon will be listed on Hotbit and PancakeSwap exchange after pre-sale end. This is good. Now click this to claim airdrop. Connect to your wallet. This is good. We see that the tokens are free. We just need to pay fee. Now click this to approve. Claim success. 7 Bitagon sent to your wallet. 7, okay. I think it was 8, but okay, 7 is good for free, why not? Here you can get your refer link for your friends. Now we need contract address, so for the tokens to add it in our wallet, I will put in the description below the video, but you can get it in here. So click this. Now click smart contract and we see Binance Smart Chain scan. Here you can see this is good, small amount of supply, how much holders and how much transfer. So now click this and copy. This is contract address for add tokens in our wallet. Now click this. Now go to your wallet. Now click this to add token. Now you can copy and paste contract address in here. You can copy it from description below, or you can copy from Binance Smart Chain scan. I will put a link in the description. So just paste it. And we see the token is added, already added in our wallet. So you just need to click this to activate it. And click this to see how many tokens we get. And we see, interesting, we got 8 tokens in our wallet. That's nice. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe and hit that thumb up button, and see you in the next airdrop. Bye.